So hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about high sky aero modeling competition. Engineering students learn aerodynamic in classrooms but very few ever see their equations take flight. So this connect most of students. Why? Because most of students study flight theory without real exposure to aircraft design, control and real world flight behavior. But why it matters? Why it is so important? Because high sky convert classroom theory into the flying machines. Students understand flight better when they build and fly. So in this slide we will discuss why is this a critical problem. Because 80 plus students are affected by this. 20 teams are engaged in this. Now next question comes to our mind is who is affected by this? So engineering student, technical clubs, aviation enthusiasts are affected by this. What will be the impact of this? Weak practical aerodynamic understanding and critically low exposure to flight control mechanisms and behavior. But why is it unsolved till now? High cost of equipment, significant safety issues, lack of structured competitions are the main reasons why is it unsolved till now. So the next question comes to our mind is can competitive aero modeling improve understanding of aerodynamics and flight control? So here first of all we will compare practice and theory, bridging the gap between hands-on flying and abstract classroom learning equations. Design thinking, fostering engineering intuition through competition-based aircraft design challenges. Real conditions, developing critical problem-solving skills in unpredictable real-world flight environments. So I will discuss about our idea and solution in this slide. Theory becomes meaningful when aircraft fly or fail visibly. So first of all, I'll introduce High Sky, a structured aero modeling competition designed to bridge the gap between equations and reality. It consists of three phases. First of all, it includes theory test, validating fundamental understanding of aerodynamic principles before building begins. Second includes design interview, defending design choices, material selection, and stability calculations to experts. Live flying is the third stage, the ultimate test, real world flight performance, control, and maneuverability. So, the methodology includes four main steps. First is design, competition based experimental learning model focusing on iterative aircraft development. Second includes data and participants, analysis of 20 teams and 80 students, supported by aircraft telemetry flight data. Duration, intensive execution phase spanning from 25th to 28th October 2025. Validation, evaluation through expert judging panels, and quantitative performance comparison. So now we will discuss about strategy validation, successful execution. 20 teams successfully designed, built and flew on aircraft models. Enhanced understanding. Participants reported improved understanding of practical aerodynamics and mechanics. Stable performance. Stable maneuverable RC aircraft were demonstrated under real life flight conditions. So the key milestones of this project is in the first month we will do planning and registrations. Initial event planning, team formation and opening of student registrations. Second month we will do theory and shortlisting, conducting theory tests to validate concepts and shortlisting qualified teams. The third milestone is design and flying. Technical design interviews followed by live flying competition rounds. And then comes to results, evaluation and awards, final performance evaluation, winner selection and award ceremony. So in this slide we will discuss about impact assessment, success matrix, quantifiable results demonstrating the effectiveness and efficiency of the competition. So technical high, improved flight stability and rigorous design justification across all participating teams. 80 plus engage over 80 engineering students in hands-on aero modeling activities. Successful event execution strictly within the allocated budget of 35K. So the team, which is mainly included in high sky, are student coordinators, dedicated student leader responsible for event logistic, peer mentorship, and ensuring smooth competition execution. Next, faculty members, professors and club mentors providing technical oversight, safety validation, and judging expertise. Proven capability, organizing team with the proven experience in participating and winning a national level technical competition. Next is risk mitigation. Risk category, aircraft damage, potential structure failure or crash during flight round may cause aircraft damage. Backup and repair, mandatory backup aircraft availability on and on-site rapid repair stations. Safety hazards, risk of injury to spectators or participants from high-speed props. Safety zones, strictly designed flying zones, safety netting, and distance protocols. Unpredictable wind or rain affecting flight capability is also one of the risk mitigation. Pre-flight checks, rigorous pre-flight weather checks, and flexible schedule buffers is one of the risks. So, join the mission with us and convert classroom into runways. We are bridging the gap between aerodynamic theory and real world flight. Help us launch the next generation of aerospace engineers. Growing interest, capitalizing on the surging demand in UAV and aerospace technology sectors. Executed by a team with a strong track record in technical competitions.